Take a breath. Go on, a real one. You just did something you've done about 20,000 times today without thinking about it once. We've spent a while inside the blood. We met the pump that pushes it, the rooms and doors inside that pump, the roads it travels, and the two great loops it runs. But all of that moving and pumping has one job in the end. It's all carrying something, and that something has to come from somewhere. That something is oxygen, your blood is the delivery truck, but the warehouse, the place where the trucks get loaded, is your breathing system. Here's the simplest way to picture it. Your respiratory system is a postal route for air, a road that runs from the outside world deep into your chest with one job: bring the good package in, take the waste package out. Let's follow a single breath down that road. It starts at the front door, the nose, or the mouth. Air rushes in, and right away, your body gets to work on it. The nose warms the air, adds a little moisture, and traps dust and germs on tiny, sticky hairs. So, by the time air goes deeper, it's clean, warm, and ready. Think of it as the package being inspected at the gate. Next, the air heads down the hallway. Behind your nose and mouth is a shared passage called the throat. From there, the air slips past a special part called the voice box. That's the spot that buzzes when you talk, or hum, or laugh. Air has to pass right through it on the way down. Now the road becomes a single main tube, the windpipe. It's a sturdy pipe, ringed like a vacuum hose so it never collapses, running straight down the center of your chest. And then the road splits. The windpipe forks into two branches, one heading into each lung. Inside the lungs, those branches split again, and again, and again. Bigger tubes into smaller tubes into tinier ones, like a tree turned upside down inside your chest, its trunk at the top, and its twigs spreading everywhere. At the very tips of the smallest twigs, the road finally ends. Not at a wall, but at the loading docks. This is where the air finally meets the blood, where the truck pulls up and the package changes hands. And here's the trade. The fresh air drops off its oxygen. The blood grabs it and carries it away to every cell in your body. Meanwhile, the blood hands back its garbage, a waste gas called carbon dioxide, the leftover from your cells doing their work. That waste gas now rides the road in reverse, up the tiny tubes, into the bigger ones, up the windpipe, past the voice box, and out the front door. That's an exhale. The package going out, in. Oxygen comes to feed you. Out, carbon dioxide leaves to keep you clean. In, out. A two-way street that never closes, and the whole team works together so smoothly you forget it's there. The nose, the throat, the voice box, the windpipe, the branching tree, the two lungs, 6 players passing one breath down the line and back all day, every day, while you think about absolutely anything else. Here's the part that stops me. You take around 20,000 breaths a day. That's over 500 million breaths in an average lifetime, and not one of them needs your permission. Right now, as you read this, the road is open and a breath is already on its way down. You don't have to remember to breathe. Something inside you remembers for you. Every single moment, awake or asleep, that quiet road keeps running, carrying the one thing you can't live 3 minutes without. So the next time you take a deep breath, just know a whole hidden journey just happened, and it'll happen again before you finish this thought.